Alright, today I'm going to be doing an unboxing of the Milwaukee Hackzall. So it's similar to the Sawzall, but it's a much smaller one-hand version of it. It uses the M18 battery opposed to the M12, so it's the smaller type of battery. What do we have just on the box? It's a little picture of it. Let's just get into it. The operator's manual. Just one of these kind of gives you an idea of all the different tools that Milwaukee has. A lot of good tools out there. I've bought quite a bit from Milwaukee and I've been pretty happy so far. Oh, I lied. This is not the smaller type of battery. This is in fact just the regular type of battery. I got that confused. So this kit does not include a battery, but as you can see, it's just kind of a handheld one. I do, however, have a battery next to me, so I'll grab that real quick and we can just kind of see what this looks like. I don't have a blade on hand, and it does not include a blade, so I can't really give you the full effect. If it's anything similar to the other type of Sawzall, the way that you add a blade in there is simply by twisting it there, placing the blade in, and then releasing. So it's just a reciprocating motion. So Sawzall, aka reciprocating saw. Here, I'm gonna set this down for a second and you can kind of just look around real quick, and I will actually grab a blade. Sorry about that. That kind of makes for a little bit of a break in the video, but so I have here just standard Sawzall blade. This one's for cutting wood. So let's see. Yep. Just place it in there, twist it just like that, to remove it, or to put it in. One-handed. You can cut this box. Why not? Made a little bit of a mess, but So there you have it. It is the Milwaukee M18 Hackzall. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.